We are doing Jed's first bath. Good boy, Jed. Good boy, Jed. That's good boy. Easy. Good boy. Right now he looks fluffy, but once he gets wet, he will look like a brown rat.
That is not him yelling. That's the other dogs in the other room.
They know something is going on.
Hi, babe.
Good boy, Jed. Good boy.
Good boy, Jed.
Want to leave his face pretty much alone. Everything else needs a good soaping, but not his face. There we go. Okay. That's a good boy. I brushed him out first. Brushed him and combed him real well. And clipped the little boy spot there and his backside so he doesn't get those dirty. This is the shampoo I use. It's nice and gentle. It's oatmeal. Heart splits it out. Just put a little. A little goes a long way.
Oh yeah, he's looking ratty. I'm gonna record this whole thing.
No, but
I'll turn it off for now.
well, come over on this side. Yep. Just looking out the window at the mourning doves out there. You can tell he's not too upset by this experience. Hard to reach places. I'll usually put a little shampoo in my hand and get under there. But he's not dirty. I just want him extra clean for his new home. And they very, very seldom need a bath. In fact, if they roll in something, I'll give them a spot cleaning. Okay, a little scrubbing on the tail. And
I'm going to shut it off for a while.
okay.
There's the drowned rat.
He doesn't look too bad though.
Oh yeah.
Okay, and now to the rinsing. This is probably the most important part of the bath, is getting all the soap out. Habib, stop that barking.
Stop it.
Okay, you can turn it off for right now. One.
Yep.
This is a shot of his bare feet. They are ugly suckers when they are not with hair. And we still have to do his toenails today. And we're getting there. As I said, the rinsing part is the most important. You leave soap in and they'll start scratching. That's not good. We're getting close to being done. This is a well-behaved Pequeno. I've never had one hold so still for a bath before. Like I say, it's his first bath, so he's not frightened. So there's really no reason for him to dance around too much. The main thing is to hold him in the sink. And I think we're just about done. I've got a washcloth. Which I'll use on his face. There we go. There we go. And a towel. Oop, we're leaking over the side. That you just kind of grab them like you do a baby, pick them up, and they're ready to be rubbed. Okay, we're just about done with our drying. You can see he's back to being fluffy and scruffy. You take the steel comb, just go through that very quickly because I already did it beforehand.
And yes, we don't have a tree growing in the living room, but it's a Christmas tree that hasn't been decorated yet.
As you can see, Jed has been a good boy for this whole process. Come here. I know. Gotta do your tail. Gotta do your tail. Okay, whoop, come here. Hey, one more thing. Okay. Very last thing, and I could do this more easily without this rubber glove. I cut my finger badly the other night, so I didn't want to soak it in his bath water. Just take a cotton ball, just wipe out the inside of his ear. Don't stick anything in it. Don't go down deeply. Just right there. One there. And one on the second ear. No Q-tips. Good boy. Good, sweet, smelling ears. Good. We're done. Bye, Daddy. Bye, Jenna. Bye, Karen.